Alright, last time I did my bacon for my Olympus burgers. Ugh. This is bacon fat from the bacon I just did. Look at notice the difference in the color. Room temperature, still fluid flowing. Maybe I'll use this to make French toast, cinnamon raisin bread French toast. Trying to get none of the particles in there. All right, look at the difference in the color. Nice saltiness, excellent bacon flavor. The other one I saved because I know the next time I made bacon, I was going to make the fat perfect. Cooking it nice and slow. Remember, I cooked the onions for 12 hours at 325. I think the bacon, I did it for like 4 hours, and it came out perfect. I'm going to have it in the fridge. Put it in paper towels. Absorbs the grease, the leftover grease, and I get healthier bacon. And that's what we got, and that just sat in the fridge so I could have something to compare it to the next time I made it. And now that was sitting in the fridge, it's getting thrown out. But this will keep.